Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change ringtone on Android 2025. Let's begin. So, let's start with going to settings, then sound and vibration. And if we scroll a little bit down, you will see phone ringtone, currently set to your new adventure. All you want to do is simply click it. Now we can change its sound. Let's switch to something retro. Cool. Now we want to hear previews. We don't care for previews since they only add some chaos. Let's go with high score since it sounds cool. And now all we have to do is simply leave. And oh, it didn't save. So let's try it once again. You need to hit save in the top right corner, and as you can see, your ringtone is now changed, which is great. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.